Hello everybody. So today's project, we're going to replace the light bulb on the dryer. I opened the door, no light comes on. I do have power and everything, so we've had this dryer a long time, so I'm just assuming the bulb burned out. So our first step is we need to get to the bulb, which is right back here, and it's held on by a screw. This specific one, this is a Maytag, is a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to just take my drill, my 1/4 inch bit on here, put that out, that unfolds and comes out, and the bulb inside is just a basic, looks like a basic night light bulb. So I'm going to go check and see if I have any of these. If I don't, I'm going to run out and get one, and then we'll put the new one in. Alright, so we're in the store, got a replacement bulb, so I'm going to go and unpackage it, and then we'll screw it in.
Next, I got a bulb, so I'm going to put it in.
So we have power, so it's just a burnout bulb, and then we can take our cover, it slips in on the top, folds down, and it's held in place by that little screw right here. We'll put that on, and we're good to go. So that is how we replace the bulb on our dryer. Quick overview: you unscrew this, take this out, put the new bulb in, and put the cover back on, and we're good to go. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on that, please put them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.